here, welcome. So a lot of you guys have been asking for a product stash haul. You guys have been asking for a product stash video, and here we are, sis, here we are. So I decided to split this video up into 5 different videos instead of making one long 40-minute video that I know y'all ain't finna sit up here and watch. Yeah, I went ahead and decided to just split it up or whatever, and yeah, because your girl has a lot of products, first of all, and I don't want to hold y'all here all day, so just look out for them every single day this week, Monday to Friday. Okay, so this should be the start of them. Today is shampoos, cleansers, co-washes, all the things, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Oh, one more thing, y'all, the hair. It's the hair for me, dog. It is flourishing, and I actually kept this so much longer than what I thought. Like, I really thought I had intentions on putting my hair into a puff today. Yeah, today. I had intentions on putting my hair into a puff. This is the day 5 hair. It still looks really good. For deets on this, go ahead and check out my last wash and go video. If you want to search for it, I'm gonna pop it up here in the cards, and yeah, you go check that out. Anyway, let's get started. So first, I guess we can go ahead and hit the Eden Body Works collection because I just finished using some Eden Body Works. And I have the Papaya Castor Scalp Cleanser here. So I actually just used this not too long ago, and on my first time I used a good little bit of it. Like, it's right here already, and it was filled to like right here. So anyway, I used a good little bit of it. I couldn't get it to lather, and I don't really know why. I don't know why I couldn't get it to lather, and then once it did lather, it turned into more of like a cleansing co-wash type of lather. So it wasn't stripping, it wasn't like bad. My hair did feel clean, it looked clean, it looked good, so she's a go. Second, I have the Hibiscus Honey Curl Hydration Shampoo from them. Never used it before. It still has the tape and everything on it, but here she is. I also have their Coconut Shea Natural Cleansing Co-Wash. I have heard really good things about this. I'm gonna say it every time until I open it and try it myself. I have so many plans on putting all my products into like this box, the products that I haven't opened anyway. I have a plan on like putting my products into a box. Just don't touch them until I finish everything that is on my shelf currently right now and opened. Okay, so I definitely want to do that first before I get into anything new. Next is the Camille Rose Lavender Stimulating Growth System Fresh Cleanse Shampoo. Okay, I really love this, y'all. It does not take a whole lot of it. A little goes a long way, and your hair is clean, but it's not stripped. It's clean though. I love it here. I will always buy this. Wait a minute. I don't know, because I haven't tried it since my hair has been colored, and it's been a good 3 months. I haven't tried it since then, but I definitely plan to finish this up or do whatever I'm going to do with it this year. I don't know. I need to try this out now that my hair is colored, because different things just react different ways when your hair is colored. Normally we just need more moisturizing things. Like, this isn't bad, don't get me wrong. It wasn't not moisturizing when I used it the first time, but I just want to make sure it still has the same effects. But if you got black hair, she's a go. I also still have the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. I just wasn't necessarily wowed by it. It's not a bad shampoo, but I'm not wowed, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really gravitate towards it, but I definitely want to finish it. Mielle did make some good products. I hate that, you know, things have to happen the way that they do, so you guys don't see Mielle on my channel anymore. But I'm gonna finish this up, and I'm not gonna purchase it again, but I'm gonna finish it. My OGs, y'all already know this was coming, okay? The Aztec Healing Clay Mask. She is always going to be in a product stash and empties, a favorites, whatever, because she always gonna be the go to me. Like, she just, I love it here, y'all. And when I'm not lazy, yeah, we on it, okay? So this next one, you guys have already seen this in like a cleaning out my product stash video from like, was it last year? It was like earlier last year sometime. And I decided to keep it because I've heard it works really good as a pre-poo. And I've recently gotten into pre-pooing, especially for my daughters, because y'all, it helps out so much, especially with the tangles, and they have this thick hair and just, oh, it helps me out so much. But that is the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. I actually do not really care for it as a co-wash because I just feel like it really does strip your hair. Like, I don't know what it is, but after using this, my hair just kind of felt hard and dry, and just, I didn't love her as a co-wash like at all. I couldn't, like, I don't know, but I'm definitely still going to try it as a pre-poo. I love the Grow Wash as a pre-poo. That was so bomb. I would definitely use that again as a co-wash. I mean, as a pre-poo. I apologize, but I definitely have to try this one. So once I try it or whatever, that will determine if I keep it or not. But yeah, she's a no for a co-wash, but we're gonna try her as a pre-poo. Y'all, I am still holding on to this little itty bitty Mish Cleansed moisturizing and cleansing shampoo. Y'all, I'm still holding on to her. It ain't that much, like, but I can get one shampoo out of this. I love this. I loved it when my hair was black. I love it now that my hair is colored. Like, I'm just, she's a go for me. I'm just, I'm holding on to her because I ain't buying no more products until I use up some more stuff. So go right now. I just don't. Okay, so this next thing, I just got this in my recent January curl box. This is the Cocoa Creme Curl Quenching Shampoo from Carol's Daughter. Y'all know I don't do silicone, so I started to just go ahead and get rid of it, but I'm kind of thinking about straightening my hair before it gets warm again, because I haven't straightened my hair in 2 years. I really want to straighten it, and I really want to get a good trim or trim it myself. Like, you know, I really don't care. I didn't get to get my trim because I ended up getting sick in December. It wasn't COVID, but I was sick. I had like a really bad like sinus infection, and at first I thought it was COVID. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was COVID. And the lady who was supposed to do my hair, I didn't go because I didn't want to get her sick or anything like that. So I'm not out here spreading stuff around that don't need to be around, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I was gonna get straightened, didn't get to do it, so I think I'm still gonna do it myself. Like, y'all, she is growing, she is flourishing. Like, I can tell, and I am in love with her, okay? I gotta give her a name. What is her name? Y'all leave me some comments down below. Let me know what I should name her, because Auntie Tab got me wanting to name my hair, okay? So we gonna do it soon. Anyway, I just wanted to keep this for the silicones just in case I do straighten my hair. So yeah, that's that on that. This is the Pure Oils by Silk Elements. This is the moisturizing and detangling shampoo. I've only used this once so far, but when I did use it, I actually liked it. It was not drying, stripping, or anything like that. My hair definitely felt clean, and this is cheap. So if you're looking for something cheap, hello. I actually got this on one of those 4 for $20 sales at Sally's Beauty, and yeah, I definitely need to use her up though within the next few months or something, because the top is messed up, so I can't like put it in a box. I can't do anything with it without it like spilling all out unless I put it in another bottle. And like, I might do that. I might put it in like a squeeze bottle, like the one with the tip on it with the top, so, and like just label it so I can know what it is. So next is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash. Loved it, okay? My hair felt super duper clean. It actually felt stronger after washing it with this. My curls were popping. They were just looking so good, so healthy, so shiny, just with a shampoo or hair wash alone. So I love her. Next is the Main Choice 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh Conditioner. So I use this as a co-wash, and I've used it as a leave-in as well. So I'm just gonna show it now and not with my leave-ins. But yeah, so I like her as a co-wash, and I also like her as a leave-in. She's very moisturizing for both. So she's a go, and she can stick around. Like, this has your hair feeling like butter. It feels so good. So she can definitely stick around, and I love it here. And last but not least, you guys, I have the Honey's Handmade Honey Cleansing and Clarifying Co-Wash. Y'all, focus camera, focus. There you go. Y'all, this is my absolute favorite co-wash at the moment. It is so cleansing but so moisturizing all at the same time. we love it here, my hair loves it here, and we gonna always stick by her because we like her, okay? So you guys, that is it for the shampoos and cleansers. I really do hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow for what we gonna do tomorrow. Conditioners and deep conditioners. I really don't have that many conditioners, but we do have deep conditioners here and hair mask or whatever. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for that. Be sure to stay tuned and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it, and I'll see you guys then.